Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my friends, depending on from where you are watching me. I know it's been quite a while that I haven't been here because I traveled to some other countries as well as some other engagements. So, didn't really make it up to make videos for you. But now I am back again in Zambia, my home, and all these months that I was not here with you, the one thing that I kept on thinking was what is the best medicine for keeping well and doing well as well. And during all this time that I was moving around and I was not here, I just kept wondering what makes or what can make life very happy and well, with all kinds of whatever we want. A satisfied, fulfilled life. You see, if you have everything with you, you may not be happy. And if you do not have anything with you, you still can be happy. So, what is that formula of being happy all the time, every time, and stay in good health? Because everybody knows if we are happy, then our health, our wealth, our relationship, our mental status, everything is good. Only when we are happy. So happiness actually is the best medicine for this life, not antibiotics and paracetamols and panadols. The best thing to have a very good life is being happy. So I used this time, these 3-4 months, I wrote 3 books and published them in Amazon. In the journey of life, there are many times when we lose energy. Suddenly we don't feel like doing anything. There is no energy because there is no happiness. So we have to reset those energies which are working inside us and come from outside, and sometimes those energy we generate from inside. So it's a matter of resetting our energy. So this book is called the 4-week formula. I've given a formula for 4 weeks, just 4 weeks. You have to practice this or do this for 4 weeks to get back your energy and put you at the peak of your energy level. So this is available on Amazon. I've given the description. I've given the link in the description. So please, this is not an advertisement for books, but this book will definitely help you. So one book is the 4-week formula. Then, to stop all the negative thoughts coming inside our mind, I wrote another book. This book is called the Complete Life Affirmation Book. You'll find about 4,200 affirmations. 4,200 affirmations covering every aspect of our life. Whatever is the situation, there is an affirmation for it. So I have written 4,200 affirmations. This book is called the Complete Life Affirmation Book. So this is the second book. The third book is very interesting. The third book is called I Feel Like I'm Failing, Now What? Many times in our life, I'm successful, I've got everything, I'm happy, everything. Suddenly, a day comes. Suddenly, because of some situations, I suddenly feel I'm failing. I have failed. Now what? This book will revive you and make you understand that you haven't failed. You are actually changing a phase. You are crossing from one phase to the other phase. So this book is called I Feel Like I'm Failing, Now What? All the 3 books you will find on Amazon. Mostly all over the world, Amazon books are available. So I'm giving you the link for Amazon.com. But in different countries, Amazon has got different websites. So I'm also sharing my Amazon authors link where you will find all my books. So please understand that it's very, very important to be happy and to reset your happiness and to revive your happiness if you have fallen into an unhappy situation. So these 3 books, they are going to help you. So get them and stay well. I'll see you again, and now go and win it.